Hi students, thanks for joining. In this question we are going to solve one problem based on limits. So we have to find the limit of the function as shown here. Let us observe we have been given 8 raised to x minus 2 raised to x minus 4 raised to x plus 1 divided by x square. Now what standard limit comes to our mind which is almost similar to some part of this particular function? So if you recollect, we know one limit, that is limit of a raised to x minus 1 upon x as x tends to 0 is given by log a, right, where a is some constant, right. Now our function is not exactly like this standard form, but at least we can see some of the parts present, right. So we see some exponential terms, we also have this plus 1, all right, but in the denominator we have x square, right, whereas we do want only x here. So what could be the way out? What can we think about it? One possibility is that there can be two such terms in multiplication with each other, right. So on multiplying them we may get the given expression. So in other words, if we can try to factorize the numerator, then our job would be done, right. So that gives us a clue to start with, right. So let's begin. What we are going to do is we are going to factorize numerator. So observe that from the first two terms we can take 2 raised to x common. So in the bracket we are left with 4 raised to x minus 1, and taking minus sign common from the remaining two terms, we will once again get 4 raised to x minus 1 divided by x square, right. X tends to 0. So therefore we get limit of 4 raised to x minus 1 into 2 raised to x minus 1, and in the denominator that x square can be split into x into x, correct. And therefore you observe that we got two standard formulae, right, two standard patterns. So therefore the answer of the first part is log 4 and second part is log 2. That's it. Remember that this cannot be simplified further, so the product of log 4 and log 2 remains as it is, and therefore option D is the correct answer.